연필을 샀어요. Again, 연필을 샀어요. What does it mean? If you notice, the word in red letters is 연필을, because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about YEONPIL. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 377. YEONPIL. YEONPIL. This pronounces a two-syllable word. The first syllable is yeon, second syllable is pil. Pronounce it with me. YEONPIL. So YEONPIL is simply the Korean term for a pencil. Again, YEONPIL means pencil. How do we write YEONPIL in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable yeon, which is the jaw first, and no sound or placeholder yung, followed by the yo character, followed by a neon character. Next, for the second syllable pil, when it's jaw first, a p character, followed by an e character, followed by a real character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to write YEONPIL in Hangul. Now let's look at this example. It says, I bought a pencil. Again, I bought a pencil. The Korean translation of that is 연필을 샀어요. Again, 연필을 샀어요. So that Korean translation could be subdivided into two. The first part is 연필을 and the second part is 샀어요. 연필 means pencil, and we added 을 on 연필을 to emphasize that pencil is the object of the action, which is bought. So 샀어요 means bought, or the past tense of buy. So when we say 연필을 샀어요, it means I bought a pencil. So looking back to this, which is flashed a while ago, we already know by now that the meaning of 연필을 샀어요 is simply I bought a pencil. And with that, you've just learned YEONPIL. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 367 to 376. But don't forget our word for today, word number 377, YEONPIL, which means pencil. The first word for our review is word number 376, 지루해, which means I'm bored of it. Next word is 심심하다, which means to be bored with nothing to do. Next word is 지루하다, which means to be boring or tedious. Next is 근데 왜, which means but why. Next is 몰랐어, which means I did not know. Next is 잘했어, which means good job. Next is 바쁘다, which means to be busy. Next word is 존댓말, which means formal speech. Next is 단어, which means individual word. And the last word for our review is 병원, which means hospital. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.